Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram version on mobile in just a few simple steps. Knowing your app version is super important to ensure you have the latest features and updates. So let's get started. First, open up the settings of your phone. And once you are in your phone settings, you will see an option that says Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Once you find it, tap on it. From here, you have to simply find Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it. And now you will see multiple options right here. What you have to do is to simply scroll down to the very end. And here you can see the current app version you are using. You can now compare this version with the latest updates available in the Google Play Store. And you can also check your Instagram version by going to the App Store or Google Play Store, searching for Instagram and scrolling down to the version info section. This will also tell you if there's an update available. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.